The Dr. Trust wheelchair is a great buy for ease of use and suitable for users of all ages. It's lightweight, easy to push, pull, and transport. It adheres to all the CE and FDA guidelines and comes highly recommended by doctors and health practitioners. Extra seat cushions assist in the eliminating road bumps and provides a smoother ride for the user. The chair even comes with a seat belt for added protection. Comfortable, ergonomic, rubber handles that allow the user to easily push, pull, turn, and stop the wheelchair. The armrests are designed for stabilization and strength, offering extra support during user transfer. Leg support with foot plates, two movable plates that provide support for the user's feet. Completely adjustable according to the user's comfort level, and no tools are required. 3 different type of wheels, mag front casters, pneumatic, and rims, all built for durability. Quality constructed brakes located on each side and in front of the pneumatic wheels next to the bottom of the seat. They prevent movement of the wheelchair, and suggested use is when transferring individual using chair or when sitting long term. Rear pocket enables user to carry multiple things like water bottle, medication, blanket, and much more. And it's very easy to clean. Just use soap and water whenever needed.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.